So I'm here in front of Dutra Tower, right in front of the main river here in Pyongyang. And if you look, the tower's very large. It's got the eternal flame, which is a symbol of the strength of the people. And we'll be going up there in a little while. So we're going to be leaving Dutra Tower here in a minute, but from a distance you can see Yeongdeok-do. I believe that's our hotel. Right there. Very large hotel. It's an international hotel, and I guess it means Horn of the Sheep. So we just arrived here in front of Juche Tower. You can see there's a military group over there, and this is one of the most famous landmarks in all of North Korea. It's got the eternal flame that supposed to be representative of the strength of the people.
I'm local guide. My name is Jong-un. Now I will explain about the tower. Shall we walk around the tower? Comrade Kim Il-sung founded the immortal Juche idea and brilliantly applied it to the revolutionary construction. The tower was unveiled on April 15, 1982. It's a significant 70th birthday.
And again, this is in the front of the Juche Tower, and this is the Taedong River, and you can see that ship over there. They constantly have to dredge the river because too much silt builds up. So you kind of hear these, you can hear this dredging all night. It's quite loud. And this is kind of the skyline around the other side of the tower.
Why do you want to do that? Because now you know that.
Man is the master of everything and decides everything. The poem is made up of 12 stanzas. 12 stanzas. The monument is 4 meters high and 50 meters long. 12 stanzas. 4 meters high and 15.
This is in front of Dutra Tower, and I guess this is the Workers' Party, right?
Yeah, the symbol of the Workers' Party of Korea.
Workers' Party, and then you have the common worker, the farmer, and the intellectual. So I'm here in front of Dutra Tower, right in front of the main river here in Pyongyang, and if you look, the tower is very large. It's got the eternal flame, which is a symbol of the strength of the people, and we'll be going up there in a little while. So we're going to be leaving Dutra Tower here in a minute, but from a distance you can see Yeongdeok-do. I believe that's our hotel. Right there. Very large hotel. It's an international hotel, and I guess it means Horn of the Sheep. So this is the party monument.
And here we can see that the party monument, which was built on the 10th of October 1995 for the 50th anniversary of the party foundation. As we have built up this one for the symbol for the celebration of 50th anniversary, we made it to be 50 meters high.
당창건 기념탑은 위대한 김일성 총리, 김정일 총비서도 발산가.
And actually this monument, party monument, is situated in a straight line. Straight ahead, we have the two statues of the President Kim Il-sung and General Kim Il-sung, General Secretary of the party. And from that statue place and to this monument, the distance is like 2,160 meters. And that's the symbol of February 16, the birthday of the General Kim Il-sung.
탑정면에 조선인민의 모든 승리의 차직자임의 향도자인 조선노동당 만세라는 구호가 있습니다.
Here in front, we can see the main slogan of our party. Long live the Workers' Party of Korea, the organizer and leader of all the victory of the Korean people.
마치와 낮과 같은 조선노동당의 기본 구성 성분이 노동자, 농민, 지식인이라는 걸 보여줍니다.
As I told you before, here we can see the symbols of intellectuals, laborers and peasants, which are hammer, sickle and writing brush.
수목은 당과 언제나 운용을 함께할 우리 민의 신념을 보여줍니다.
And you see the fists holding the slogans, holding the hammer, sickle and writing brush. And this is a kind of the strong will of the Korean people to follow after the party leadership.
And I was just told
this circular belt is
this monument sits right on top what it used to be an airport that the Japanese built when they occupied. And here we are inside this monument in Pyongyang. Looking up at these giant sculptures here.
We have carved Mount Baekdu, the highest mountain of Korea, which is the sacred mountain where the President Jong-un fought against the Japanese.
이 뷰는
Second part is here.
중심에 조선노동당 깃발이 휘날리고 있습니다.
In the center, do you see the party flag and party mark?
경기를 중심으로 하늘을 뭉친 노동자동인 70인 인민군들은 세웠습니다.
And as the party mark in the center, we can see the workers in the middle, in the center. On the right, we have intellectuals. On the left, we have the peasants.
왼쪽에 한글 억수가
And just here in the left corner, we can see the old general is now handing over the revolutionary torch to the younger generation.